Hello kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute girl. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big round eyes. Then add a small nose and a happy smiling mouth. Next, draw the round face and cute little ears. Now add the beautiful hairstyle and a lovely bow on the hair. Then draw the body and the waving hand saying hello. Add the cute dress with little buttons and simple details. Now, draw the legs and adorable shoes on the feet. Great job! Now, it's time to color. Add soft colors for the skin and a little pink on the cheeks. Use pink for the dress and matching pink for the shoes. Color the hair with brown. The bow with soft pink to make it look pretty. You can also add some shading to make the drawing look more lively. And done! Your cute girl is ready! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing. Bye!